People, no be small thing o. I say make we close our eyes, sleep small. Now we come dey get ogbonge information. Say as e stand now, one British army wey from British carry kala, many kala enter inside Naija wey e wan come distribute to give people up to 50. They say hand don catch am o. As e be like this now o, this news if say we no bring am come outside, e go pain us so much o. They say that the men of Operation Udoga Chebubag crash with the Biafra Liberation Armies. As it start right now, we go play the video. May you hear wetin happen for that video. My people, no be small thing o. Fulani herdsmen in Imo State are growing bigger every day. As their cow dey chop people farm, everything wey dey put for inside farm o, no be small thing. We go bring the videos one after the other come show una. Abeg make you stay tuned for the end of this video so you understand how it dey go.
Authorities say they have detained a British military officer on arms trafficking charges in the West African nation. Now, civil society groups are calling on the UK government to conduct an official investigation into the matter.
The Nigerian Department of State Services conducted a covert operation, resulting in the recovery of 50 AK-47 rifles, 6 pump-action shotguns, and over 3,000 rounds of ammunition. The operation also led to the arrest of a British Army officer, Major Mika Polo, who is alleged to be highly connected with a first-class traditional ruler in Delta State, Nigeria, who is alleged to have procured these weapons for the purpose of instigating unrest in Warri Delta State.
The officer was detained in Abuja while trying to board a flight to the UK. Rights groups argue that the case could fuel instability in the country and urged London to take swift action. However, the British government insists the individual arrested was never a commissioned officer, instead calling him a low-ranked reservist. Well, let's get some reaction to all of this now and cross live to Pan-Africanist researcher and historian Temitope Maberu Fagunwa. Good to have you with us. I mean, it's quite a story. Apparently a high-ranking British Army officer arrested in Nigeria. Rights groups are obviously jumping up and down about the case. London stepping back, seemingly washing its hands of it all. I mean, what do you make of it all?
I think it is just hypocritical for the United Kleptomaniac to think that she's not complicit to, this incident, in the sense that we are quite aware that historically, since the 19th century, the United Kleptomaniac has refused to allow the Niger Delta region to be at peace. Since the 19th century, that region had not known peace. Clearly because of the, exploitative intent and purposes of the United Kleptomaniac. As far back as the 19th century, that region was invaded through a gunboat, diplomacy that led to the death of so many people. Clearly because,
I think we might have lost connection. Temitope, can you hear me?
Yes.
Wonderful. I'll just.
Okay, my wonderful people. Now, so they go. Now, I say, my bring go show my people. Now, I want to play the video of waiting happen for inside Imo State between the Biafra Liberation Army and the security men. Them watch the video.
Yeah, we shop ambassador. Okiso, Uchenna, Erene Yako, and ha Porcosere. Sisters, ladies at this shop now, Barakona. When woman have Burkosere there. When on the life and direct. APU, the APU, the Aronizog Progressive Union, the AYU, Aronizog Youth Union. I want you people to understand what Okiso Fire is doing to you people. I came to save you people, but you rejected me. You rejected Jamaica. And I'm life and direct nobility. Life and direct nobility. In your also today. I na has their woto, and they are running away. Get one now to one Okiso. Okiso, you have promoted get back with boss. Get one here and not to go. A question away, man. In my own, but I will let to honor. Let deceive the people. Unu pota una ne tu ano. Nuno baranka. Iwe ji ewe me wepụta na onwe m. I told you that I am angel. Any day I appear before you, it is disaster. Oh, a disaster call. I appeared to Okiso, I appeared to Caterpillar, I appeared, we the angels appeared, life and direct. We appeared life and direct. This is the work, the handwork of Ogbunigwe. Ogbunigwe. Niya moto Okiso. Moto nde bubago in around this zog. The moto nde terrorist group. All these terrorists that are destroying our area. We cut them down. The Biafra Division Army got them down immediately. Niya we benefit. Anam your life and direct. Okiso gene na chogo. Okiso gene na chogo. Life motor ere na moto nde Tiger Base. Moto ikenguru ago ha. Moto the terrorists. Look at them. Anam life. Life and direct and Jamaica now. Life and direct. Hey.
My people, let's go and watch as it dey happen between the Fulani herdsmen and people wey get farm for inside Imo State. Stay tuned.
Lekula. Leya. Umunna lekula no. Nna manda Hausa. Manda Hausa jere focha japu mabale. Ujishi borota. Ta u Monday. Ta u Monday. April 26 or 27. Ta April 27. Len hennama nda usana nama ngomere. Japon tara ahụhụ. Ji ego. Ubi m jiri ego ọrụ last year. Lekwa ndị Hausa bịa no funga no Japan mo vunshi chaya ala. Vona ya nnama nwa da ji abale. Ndị mmanụ labachara ụra. Akwa ịhụnanya. Ịhụnanya. Ebe o ụmụna ahụ rada. Inowere not. Lekwano ndị Hausa na nnama nwa mere. Ọwụna majiri aka ya vụọ Japan. Ọwụna majiri aka ya vụọ Japan niile. Ọkwa ihe oke ya ụfụrụ. Akwa nna na ahụ na o. Ịhụ na asọ. Agbala nkịtị. Ndị Hausa bịa obodo anyị emegide anyị. Bịa obodo anyị emegide anyị. Mmegide arụrụ ala. Nnama ya fụrụ ihe. Ọkwa ha ejiri aka eme ụbọchị taa April 2027 abalị ka ejiri hụ bịa ubi mrụrụ last year m jiri ego kpọọ ndị ọrụ nwa arụwa ya. Lekwa ọhaneze lelere no. Lekwano. Na benye na maka
onye buga nna ma nno nuga like ya. Ohe nkara. Ya la ya sa ha de nna ma ngogo ha de Japan wori. Ya ne na ga. Meje ba we benji. Ewe beluru. Pushi there. Me send you nama abo amara kiti. Demo be share me. Brother, saw me like this, so that then the woman me kill any has a man nala. Na just like this, she be jido oku kedu mansu do call him again. Cause I won't. When we got measure, I didn't make any. And I'm a one boy. Chineke go share. onye mere rescue agbachana me balaga nwaakịrị anabịa kpuri eme ganụ lagi sili afumam ya otu nwanyị akpụrụ m ezedefe kema ana aishiga mmiri ọkụ mmekwa na ihe nwaakịrị anaghịkwa ụlọ m ya sie megide ozugbo ahụ nyecha m nsogbu ozugbo ahụ ebe a na-agba m okwu ozugbo ebe racha m ahụ
you chairman ndị ụrụ ata niile nọ na platform anyị ihe mere this morning ihe oke ọwala ihe ndị nama mere ya akụrụ ya ihe were nama sendere nama emerọcha ya ya nwanna nda Sam Chikere lecha ozugbo ahụ ya niile ahụ na ya so onye ọbụla should wake up na
ọ dị mma biko eji m n'aka na onye ọbụla ahụla that video ihe a mere on Monday n'ụmụna ahụ Orata Owerri North nke steeti Imo. There is an existing bill already banning grazing of cow and cattle, anti-grazing law. What the only exists in Imo State. Open grazing law. The bill that is against open grazing law is in existence in Imo State since during Udenwa. And I know that it has not been repealed. And I'm here because I am calling upon the government of Imo State, especially the office of the SA on monitoring and implementation. You are the SA on monitoring and implementation. Monitor the Fulani India. This is planting period. This is period I need ubi. But only when you bagan ubi because of the Fulani herdsmen. Una only ha kroko jasa woke mado. Na lubio. Una ona ha na akpu ndem mano. Ihe oto wa sha egbe agro. Ihe oto sha abara ha agro, abara starvation, abara ha hunger na this state. Because I am begging the government of Imo State and I am asking the SA on monitoring and implementation to wake up and do his job. Wake up, sir, and do your job. Only how like a make question that from stopping our people please, the government of Imo State. Please, the government of Imo State. Do the needful. Do the needful before I go to Bondimo. Thank you very much.
No be smart, my wonderful people. Now don't see them as Fulani don't gradually they take over our land. They destroy our people farm. Waiting be their target for this way that they do. Anybody where they commit evil, he get the reason why they do that evil. So I better share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section. Go and watch our previous videos where as one young man made a law how to treat Fulanese in your farm. Go and watch the video.